Hello everyone, I'm Jocelyn, one of the AG aspirant from EduSkills family. This is a video about sharing my experience with the EduSkills family. I came across EduSkills from the YouTube channel, and I was so fascinated to know what's going on in the father's video. Father's video helped me a lot and made me to enroll in OET course in EduSkills International. It was a wonderful journey and unbelievable that there is a lots of things to learn from father's video, and how it will help to crack OET. And there is a lots of sessions, discussion sessions, and the materials are also provided for you to practice. So I encourage all the aspirants not to set back, but to come forward to join the EduSkill family, EduSkill International. Apart from that, the EduSkill doesn't charge a single penny from the student. So what else we need? So those who are really have a financial crisis can join this institution. So I appreciate everyone to come forward and be a part of this wonderful journey. Thank you for listening.